Let's add a custom rebar shape template right into this beam right here. Alright, okay. Get into rebar. Most probably I will be adding some sort of rebar template. I don't know, let me see whether the shape is right in here or not. Yeah, something like this. Okay, it's already here, but I'll show you. The sake of this video is right to show you how to add this, how to create a sort of a custom template, shape template. Alright, in order to create the template, what you're gonna do here is get into new family. I like to pick up, yeah, this one, Rebar shape template India. If the stuff is not here, you can download it from Autodesk website. Right, while showing up the multi-planar, I don't want the rebar right to be acting as a multi-planar rebar. Okay, the first thing what you like to carry is you need the shape to be disabled. You need this button to be disabled. Okay, so you can see that when it's enabled, the button indicate that the rebar shape is not valid. So what we can do here is I like to drop the shape by using the line. Right, first point, second point, then I can turn it up like this and draw up the sample shape of the rebar. Yeah, aligned properly. Okay, I don't care the size of the stuff. After adding, the next step is we like to pick up an align dimension right into here. Okay, right from here. Okay, right from here. Also to the other side. After adding a sort of dimension, let's apply some parameters right into here. This one will be labeled as A. This both will be holding up the control, will be B, and finally this could be like C. Still, this button is active. Let's try adding some values for A, B, and C. A shall be 940. It's not compulsory to match these values, but still 297. And also finally this could be like 360. Hit OK. You can see that the shape is worn out. Okay, finally let's load this right into the project, picking up the rebar, and our shape will be right there at the end. Okay, that looks so okay. You can see that is right here. Right, now what you can do here is let me try to add these values right in here. Okay, A is right here, B is right here. Okay, 495, trying to turn it right into 300. What's gonna happen is you can see that the size has been decreased. You can change anywhere. You can anytime change up the values right here. Okay, so what you can do here is it can be like 700. Okay, it can be like 800. You can see that this C has been increasing. So that's the basic procedure to create a custom shape template right into Revit structure. Thanks for watching.